Good morning, students. As I have been instructed by the principal to teach you reading skills and writing skills. So I'll start from writing skills, and today I am going to teach you 3 topics, 2 articles and 1 speech. The first one which I have taken, that is regarding terror of coronavirus, which has destroyed the lives and property all over the world. And this is a very serious issue. Now, first of all, before telling you the points on this article, I would like to explain endemic, epidemic and pandemic. Now, endemic is a kind of disease which can be controlled, and it affects a certain region, certain area, like dengue, fever, malaria. But epidemic, that is affecting a lot of area, a lot of people, like flu and cholera, H1N1. Now, for example, this virus corona, first of all, it is spread in China only, and particular Wuhan city. So it was epidemic, but slowly and slowly it is spread in all other countries all over the world. Now it became pandemic. It is uncontrollable. Now this emerged from Wuhan in China, and now there is a investigation. There is confusion whether it was man-made or it came from some animal or bird. Still the investigation is going on at the WHO level. Now this disease has taken the lives of lakhs of people. 3,75,000 people have died all over the world. And the greatest victim is America, where the cases are more than 18 lakh and death more than 1 lakh. Likewise, Spain, Italy, Japan and all other countries, the death rate is in thousands. Actually, in India, the first case came on January 30th. And after that, slowly and slowly it is spread. There was lockdown from 25th March till 31st May in 4 phases. And so far, this is the 5th phase, unlock, where shops, factories, railways, buses, everything is open with certain conditions also. Now in India, the mortal rate is very low comparatively to other countries. So far, about 6,000 people lost their lives, and the cases have been more than 2 lakhs. But the recovery is also very good. It's more than 48%. Now this disease, actually it has made the life stand still. It has made our life very miserable. The economy is gone down, not only in one country but all over the world. Millions of people lost their jobs. They became jobless. Now this disease has no medicine. although the scientists all over the world are trying their best to search some medicine or make some vaccine, but it will take time. For this disease, only precaution is mask, social distance, washing our hands, all these things, sanitization, and other precautions for safety and security. Now you see all the schools and colleges, they have been closed. Online teaching is going on. Transportation, everything was closed so far. Now this disease is increasing every day. Now the number is going to increase every day all over the world, and deaths are taking place. So we can see that this coronavirus is the greatest terror, and there is no remedy for it except for safety and security of ourselves. Slowly and slowly the things are opening. People are coming on their work, on their job. Still it may take a number of years to cover the loss. So now regarding this coronavirus, you will write an article covering all the points which I have told you, and moreover you must be reading newspaper, you must be listening news on television, so you can add some more points to complete this article. Actually this topic has so many dimensions and its effect in various ways: social effect, economical effect, political effect, and how this effect is there all over the world among the human beings. So you have to cover all these points systematically. Now how the coming generations will be affected, how this is going to affect the whole world, its economy, its social terms, its political terms, and many other things. So as I have told you, you see point wise, and you must add some more points covering all these things to make the article good.